Hello friends, I am Anvesha and I welcome all of you to my channel Aspiring Banker Anvesha. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and also click the bell icon to get notified for the upcoming videos. And I make videos on English for bank exams. In the description box, I have given the link to the English playlist. Go to the playlist and watch all the videos. The videos will be very beneficial for you. Now, today in this video, I will wrap up the video very quickly. So don't worry, I will not take up a lot of time. So the thing is, since all the notifications have come now, and the exams are also lined up, so probably many of you are looking for some paid courses, from with which you can start from the basic. Right, so there are some of you who want to learn from the basic, and then there are some of you who just want to practice questions for your exams, and then there are some of you who want to specifically focus on mains examinations because they are pretty much confident for their prelims. For all of you, new batches are getting launched on Unacademy, and why I'm saying this now is because from 31st of December, there will be a price hike. Okay, the prices are going to increase. So if you are willing to subscribe to Unacademy Plus, this is the right moment. This is the right time. Subscribe to Unacademy Plus for giving an age to your preparation so that you can prepare in a structured manner. Okay, now some of you were asking me whether I am teaching or not there at Unacademy Plus. So the thing is, guys, right now I'm not teaching at Unacademy due to some personal reasons. I'm not able to devote so much of time, and that's why I have taken a break from Unacademy. Nevertheless, there are best educators over there. There are awesome teachers. There's no need to worry, and batches are getting launched. Also, students who are not comfortable in Hindi, for them also there are batches taken by good educators who teach only in English, and then there are of course batches for those students who are comfortable in Hindi, and educators are there who are going to teach only in Hindi. So there are educators of every type. Now the thing is, why you should subscribe to Unacademy Plus. This is also one more thing. The thing is, guys, if you look at any offline coaching center, there you first of all, in this COVID situation, offline coaching centers are not functioning properly, and you should of course not visit. And if we look at any normal time also, in the offline coaching centers, you do not get many options. Okay, you just enroll there, and you have a specific set of teachers. You even do not know whether the teachers teach good or not, and many a time it has been seen that the syllabus is also not completed, and enough practice sessions are also not there, and the course duration is say for 3 months and 4 months, and then it gets over, and also the course does not get completed properly. So these things are there in the offline coaching centers. And if you go for online coaching, you will see that batches are there for every exam, like for SBI PO 1 batch, and you have to pay for that. For IBPS Clerk 1 batch, and you have to pay for that. But here at Unacademy Plus, you do not need to pay separately for every exam. It is just one subscription and all your exams are covered, right? So if you want to subscribe, do it right now, do it today or tomorrow, because batches are getting launched, and from 31st of December the fee is going to increase, and both for bank exams and for SSC category, prices are going to increase, and also new batches are getting launched right now. Okay, so if you want to prepare for your mains, SBI PO mains, IBPS PO mains, and IBPS Clerk mains, so many exams are lined up, and you need to really prepare well. And if you think that you need the help of an expert, you need the help of a teacher, then please do not hesitate. Now this money that you are going to spend now will earn you thousands more. You know that, right? Once you get a bank job, done, your life is set, right? So don't worry about the money. If you can afford it, take it. Okay, and if you still have some doubt regarding the quality of teachers over there, teaching over there and all, go to Unacademy Unacademy, download their app or visit their website and join some free classes, special classes. Okay, watch the special classes. You will get to know the quality of teachers and the quality of content. I'm sure you will not get this kind of content anywhere at this price. Anywhere, I can guarantee that you will not get. Okay, so you can do this. Also, while joining, use the coupon code ANNIE, 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 for a 10% discount on the subscription cost. Okay, so I will see you again in my next video. Bye.